Well, good morning, Greg. Thanks for taking a couple of minutes just to share your story. I know we've talked about this a little bit in the past, but your experience last year with the goal setting boot camp was pretty dramatic. Can you share a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. And good morning, and thanks for talking with me about it or asking. It really was. I think as a business owner, we always have like these goals and these things we want to get to, and don't really do the deep dive that Sandler's boot camp kind of asked me or required me to do in order to go through the goal setting boot camp. And honestly, it was really, really challenging in some areas, challenging in all the right ways, I guess I should say, where it was forcing me to not just think about what I want, but why do I want it? What am I willing to do to get it? And helping me to focus personally on some things that I had probably just let go, and also giving me permission to dream, to have a moment where it's just about me and just about the things that I truly want. And not even in a self-serving or selfish way, but in the sense of just saying, like, how can I achieve what I want? And out of that, what I got was how eye-opening it was for me. And so when I came back to my company, it really helped me have some better focus and perspective on where I want to take my company. I have these things. I now have a little bit better direction of where I want to go. And it helped me to focus on the waste and a very strategic path to try and get there, which was something I was lacking from the beginning. And so it was really beneficial there. After that, and that eye-opening experience, I felt like it would be great, not only just as a team building exercise, but for an individual exercise for every one of my employees. So I scheduled that with you and with Mike, and we sat down and had an entire company day where we shut it down. And it was a requirement of my employees that we just go sit down together and do the same exact exercise that I had done personally. And then in that group setting, it was such an amazing thing to watch my team share their dreams with each other, share their goals and achievements and things where they were lacking, and then also coming back to the office with the same focus that they actually took their vision boards that were created, which was like probably one of the funnest childlike things ever, to play with glue sticks again. That was awesome. But now, they have them above their desk, they're hanging on walls, and now you have people having conversations that are about their individual dreams and hopes and not just work. And so work now becomes a place where you get to refocus and not just lose focus, where, sometimes you have to shut off your personal life just to go to work or vice versa. And so now when those things interchange in a really positive way, it impacted our company in a tremendous way, and it gave us a lot of good stuff to talk about regularly, where we get to be sincere and actually care about one another and not just be coworkers. So it really helped our culture a ton.
Yeah, I love that, Greg, and it's reflected. You can see it in the excitement in the team. Obviously, you can see it in the results that has happened for you guys this year. Tremendous amount of growth this year. And just the proactive attitude that you had to take everybody through that, regardless of whether we're going to be here in 5 years or not, to give them the opportunity to have the life that they wanted. I thought that was a fabulous, proactive leadership move. So congratulations on that, and congratulations on having a pretty phenomenal year. You guys have done pretty well this year. Oh,
it's been fantastic. I attribute it to another thing as far as Sandler's, rule, people buy for their reasons. Well, employees, salespeople work and sell for their reasons. And for our leadership team to actually have a really clear insight to what those reasons are makes it extremely easy for us to align our company goals and visions with employee goals and visions. And then we both excel. And that's when you get a lot of buy-in. That there's really something you can't get without that. So it was great.
I love that. Sounds like you got leadership talk in your pocket right there. Thanks for being here, Greg. Thanks for taking a couple minutes to share your story. Appreciate it.
Hey, thanks a lot.